Assalamu alaikum. In this part, we knew that Ustaz Salama finally found Mahmoud when Ustaz Salama decided to do Umrah in Saudi Arabia, Hijaz. So all of a sudden, when they both were sitting together in Masjid al-Nabawi, all of a sudden they saw or they noticed each other. Ustaz Salama was sitting behind Mahmoud. Here we can see he was sitting behind Mahmoud, right? Mahmoud got surprised and he was very sorry for what he did. So let's get started. After after Ustaz Salama found Mahmoud, what they did. Let's continue our story from the next paragraph. So we can see a picture here. Definitely, this is Ustaz Salama, and there is a girl. All right, and definitely this sad man would be Mahmoud, right? He looks sad. Wa yabdu hazina. And there is another man. We don't know what is his name, and he is looking at this girl with surprise. Do you understand? He looks so surprised. So let's see how it continues and what's going on in the picture. So وصرنا حتى وصلنا إلى البيت. We started moving حتى until we arrived at home. Right? Sirna means we started moving. وصلنا means we arrived. حتى means until. Bait means home. So we started moving towards home until we arrived at home. Did you understand? وفي الطريق, on the way, لاحق, joined. Joined, joined. Who joined? Bina Shabu, a young man. Young man joined us. Did you understand? Nazartu ilayhi, I looked at him. When I looked at him, Nazartu means I looked, ilayhi means to him, فإذا, at that time, he was who? Huwa Mamduh. He was Mamduh bin Ustaz Salama. He was the son of Ustaz Salama, and his name was Mamduh. Do you understand? Nazara ilayya tawilan. He looked at me for a long time. Okay, he kept looking at me. Duna an yusaddiqa aynayhi. His eyes were not able to believe. His eyes were not able to believe that he noticed me, that he saw me here. After he came here in Medina with his father to perform Umrah. Then when he saw me, when Mamduh saw me, he was surprised and he kept looking at me. ثم صار معنا. Then he also had it with us. He also started going with us. معنا, with us. صار means started moving. ودخلنا إلى البيت. Then we got into home. We got into our house. وجلسنا في الفناء. Then we sat down on the open place in front of the home, or we sat down on the yard or in the yard. Yard. Filfina means in the yard or open place. Wadakhaltu. Then I got into home. Dakhaltu, I got into home. Ataytu bil mali fi rabtatihi. Then I brought the money in the pouch. Then I brought the bundle of the money. Then I brought the packet of the money. Did you understand? Ataitu means I brought. Ataitu bi means I brought, bringing something. So what I brought, rabta. Rabta means the packet or the pouch, Pouch, pouch of the money. Wanawaltuhu, then I gave it. Nawaltu, who means it. I gave it. I gave it what? I gave the pouch. Li salama. Li Ustaz Salama. I gave the money to Ustaz Salama. Walam yanqus minhu illa khamsuna junihan. And there was only 50 pounds short, right? I spent only 50 pounds from all the money. Do you understand? So all the money was was in its exact amount except 50 pounds. That means the money was only 50 pounds short, or I spent 50 pounds only from that stolen money that I stole from Ustaz Salama's shop. فتح الربطة. Then he opened the packet. He opened the pouch. Who? Ustaz Salama opened the pouch or opened the packet or opened the bundle. وعد المال. Then he started counting the money. He started counting the money. وقلت له. I told him. وقلت له means I told him. الخمسون جنيها آتيك به. The 15 pounds I will give you. I will give you the 15 pounds later. Atika bihi, I will give you that. Khamsuna juniha means 50 pounds. So since 50 pounds was short, that's why Mahmoud said to Ustaz Salama, I'll give you back the 50 pounds that I took it from the bundle, from the packet or from the pouch. وَدَخَلَتْ سَمِيرَ بِالْقَهْوَةِ. At that time, Samira took entry, or Samira entered with coffee. That means Samira brought coffee. وَوَضَعَتْهَا. Then she kept the coffee. Ha means the coffee. قهوة. أمام الرجل, in front of the man. She kept the coffee in front of the man. ثم أجهشت بالبكاء. Then almost she started crying. She almost started crying. Ajhashat bil bukai means started crying. She almost started crying or she was about to cry. وقالت, she said, what she said. لقد سمعت زوجي يكلمك. I heard, سمعت means I heard. زوجي, I heard that my husband is talking to you. Who is saying? Samira is saying now. I heard that my husband is talking to you. اعفو عن زوجي. Please forgive my husband. اعفو means forgive. عن زوجي means forgive my husband. إنه مسكين. Indeed, he is poor. He is distressed. Okay? He is poor. He does not have any money. Please forgive me. الشيطان لعب به وبي. Shaitan, the devil, he played with us. He played with him and me. Shaitan لعب به وبي. به means with him, وبي means with me. فأطال الرجل النظر إليها. Then when Samira told this thing to Ustaz Salama, then the man looked at him for a while. Atala means he kept looking at Samira. Atala, he kept or he looked at him for a long time or for a few minutes. Okay, ilayha, to her. That means to Samira. Waqala, then the man said that, Ustaz Salama said, Min Misr ya anta sabiyya. Are you from Egypt, girl? Little girl, are you from Egypt? Alright, yes, Sabiya means, are you from Egypt, dear girl? Oh girl, Sabiya, oh little girl, are you from Egypt? You came from Cairo? Then Samira replied, Ana Samira bint Mustafa al-Naduri. Oh uncle, I am Samira. Ana Samira, I am the daughter of Mustafa al-Naduri. Jaruk, he is your neighbor. فدهش الرجل وقال. When he heard it, when Ustaz Salama heard it, he got surprised, he got stunned. Okay, he was intrigued. Then Ustaz Salama said, إذا أنت التي خطفك المجرم. Then you are the one uh, whom this perpetrator stole. That means then this perpetrator, this criminal stole you. Okay, Ustaz Sanaf understood that. He said, what he said? He said that then you are the one who was stolen by this criminal. Mujrim means criminal. Idan means then. Anti, you are the one. خطفك المجرم, that this criminal stole you. That means you are the one then who was stolen by this criminal. أهلك كادوا يموتون حزنا عليك. Your family almost died out of sadness since you were stolen. Your family almost dying, huznan, out of sadness, alayka for you. كيف حال أمي وأبي? Then she asked, what about my parents? How are they? Are they good? Then Ustaz Salama said, لم يذوقا طعم السعادة. They did not take even a single bite of food happily. Okay? من يوم خطفك هذا الرجل. Since the day this man stole you, or this man kidnapped you. Did you understand? Khatafaka means kidnapping. All right. So Ustaz Salama is describing about his family, that your family members or your parents did not take even a single taste or even a single bite of food since the day you were kidnapped by this man. خطفك هذا الرجل. Since the day this man kidnapped you. Then Samira said, what he said? He said, لم يخطفني يا سيدي. He did not kidnap me. Oh my uncle, oh sir, he did not kidnap me. لا تظلمه. Please don't torture him. Don't oppress him. Don't blame him. أنا ذهبت معه. I am the one who came here with him. I am the one who went with him. I was the one who decided to go with him. تزوجنا, we got married. تزوجنا, we got married. الشيطان خدعنا. The shaitan played with us. The shaitan played a game. He cheated with us. أريد أن أعود إلى أهلي معك. I would like to go back to my home with you. I would like to return back to my family members with you. فنظر إلي الرجل. Then the man looked at me. Okay, I am Mahmoud. Then the man, Ustaz Salama, looked at me. وقال, he said, what Ustaz Salama said? He said, دعها تعود معنا إلى أهلها. Let her return. Let her go back to her family. Okay, Ustaz Salama said, hey Mahmoud, let her go back to her family members. دعها means let her. تعود, go back or return. معنا, with us. إلى أهلها, to her family members. I said, Mahmoud said, هي حرة يا سيدي. She is free, oh my master. لقد ظلمتها معي. I tortured her, I oppressed her. Okay, I put her in trouble. I put her in trouble. إنني لا أتصور حياتي بدونها. I can't imagine. لا أتصور. إنني, indeed I cannot imagine my life without her. حياتي بدونها. I cannot imagine my life without her existence. Okay? ولكن, but تلك مشيئة الله. But this is the will of Allah. But this is the wish of Allah. If Allah wish, then it's okay. She can leave. Mashi'atullah means this is the will of Allah. وأنا أحبها. I love her. أحبها, I love her. ولا أريد إلا سعادتها. And I don't love anything except her happiness. ولا أريد, I don't. إلا سعادتها. I don't want anything except her happiness. سعادة means سعادتها means her happiness. Then Ustaz Salama said, إذن طلقها. Then divorce her. Then give her talaq. فسكت طويلا. Then I got silence for a long time. For a few moments, I got silenced. وانسابت دموعي. I started crying. My tears started rolling on my cheek. I started crying. ثم قلت, then I told, هي طالق لوجه الله. Okay, she's divorced now on behalf of Allah. All right, for the sake of Allah, then she is divorced now. I gave her divorce. وبكت سميرة. Then Samira cried a lot. وساد الصمت. Then the whole situation got silenced. The moment got silenced. Everyone got silenced. Okay, I divorced Samira. Samira started crying.